You asked, how to divide 5,936 by 25 using the long division method. 5 is too small. Use 59. 59 divided by 25 equals 2. 2 times 25 equals 50. 59 minus 50 equals 9. Bring down 3, making 93. 93 divided by 25 equals 3. 3 times 25 equals 75. 93 minus 75 equals 18. Bring down 6, making 186. 186 divided by 25 equals 7. 7 times 25 equals 175. 186 minus 175 equals 11. The remainder is 11. The final result is 237, remainder 11.